Now our topic is impact of stress management techniques on mental health. In our day-to-day life, we have to face a lot of stress. If suppose I am working in an organization and on any particular day there is lot of workload and I will face stress because I may not be able to complete the job in the stipulated time. On the other hand, if I am a student and I have been given a lot of work by my teachers as homework, then after going to home, I want to spend some time with my friends, spend some time in playing and watching videos, and I also have to visit my relatives. So I will face a lot of stress that I may not be able to complete my homework today. In the same way, there may be some chronic illness in our home and we may be facing financial hardship to provide proper treatment to our family member. So all these types of circumstances create a lot of stress on any individual, and that is why we will now study the impact of stress management techniques on mental health. Now the question before us is, what are some effective stress management techniques that can be incorporated into our daily life to improve mental health and overall well-being? Stress is a natural part of our life, but when the stress becomes chronic, it can lead to anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues. Stress can have a negative impact on mental health and well-being. So, practice stress management techniques. Exercise. Regular exercise can help reduce stress by releasing endorphins, which are natural mood boosters. We should try to incorporate exercise into our daily life, whether it is going for a walk, taking a yoga class, or we may go to gym for exercise. Exercise improves our physical health, fitness, which can have a positive impact on mental health. We can have mindfulness meditation. It involves focusing our attention on the present moment without judgment. Deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. Deep breathing exercises involve taking slow and deep breaths from the diaphragm, the muscle located below the lungs. Since the deep breathing exercises are simple and easy to do, they can be incorporated in our daily routine to help manage stress and improve overall well-being. To improve stress, to tackle stress, we can also practice time management. Stress can be caused by feeling overwhelmed with too many tasks and responsibilities. You may have a large workload, tight deadlines to complete the assignment, and not enough resources to complete the tasks. Feeling overwhelmed can lead to feelings of anxiety, frustration, and even physical symptoms such as headache and fatigue. You can better manage your time by prioritizing tasks, doing single task at a time, and planning your day or week ahead of time, and eliminating distractions. You may see that whenever we are working on computer, many types of ads already appearing on our screen, we should ignore that. When we are doing some work, if there is any mobile phone and it may not be very urgent for us, then we can ignore that. So we should also turn off notifications from our mobile phones because they distract our attention. Then we should also close unnecessary tabs on our computer, and we should also take breaks from time to time when we are doing work. All these types of actions of ours reduce the feelings of overwhelm. By incorporating stress management techniques in our daily life, we can improve, we can reduce the feelings of stress and anxiety and improve our overall mental health and well-being. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.